Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So, as the video title suggests, this video is about, is the market going to crash now? Will market crash? Now, this is very interesting topic because the world is discussing about the economy is going to fall. We are moving into a recession, and also we have, the second wave of corona is coming, so market can fall very sharply. True, might be, but as my analysis, or as we analyze the chart, what we can see, that is important. Maybe it can fall, because this fall which you see from 12,000 level to the 7,500 level, no one had predicted this, no one. And even this recovery, no one had predicted, because people, even I myself thought that 10,000 will be level from where it has to return, but it it had a sharp up move, and then Nifty returned. Bank Nifty, yes, if you compare Bank Nifty, it has not moved as such more like Nifty, but Nifty has done, thanks to the stocks like Reliance and other stocks which have moved, majorly Reliance, because it has a high weightage. Now the question comes, why people are saying market might fall? We might have again a decline. Now if you see, as part of a trend line, if I draw a rough trend line, first time it has closed below this trend line, and there is a sharp fall. If you see, okay, first time the candle formation in Nifty, it has formed below. Okay, now why people say that it might fall is based on economy and everything. Now, one thing which we need to understand, what is very important to understand is, if you see, it has given a V-shaped recovery, right? In market, whenever there is a V-shaped recovery, either there is something very good happening, or huge amount of money has come in the market. Okay, but in current scenario, if you see, there is nothing good happening as part of economy, if you see. Okay, so how can we see? In yesterday's video also, what we had discussed was, market does not go up like this in a straight line. It forms a step, and moves up. Okay, but mostly when it is falling, it does not forms any step. If you see, it does not forms. If market is falling, if you see, mostly what happens, it falls very sharply, recovers little bit, and then again it starts falling. But in Nifty, in this case, what had happened, it fell very quickly, and it again gave a V-shaped recovery. Okay, which is ideally very rare, but this time it has happened. Now what can we expect? What has happened in Nifty is, it was in this level, on this range, and then now it has broken. Now what are our expectations? See, if we see on chart, what do we see? It has broken this 11,000 level. It was closed below, and then now it has recovered. Yes, one day, as we were expecting, there might be a profit booking in 1 or 2 days, and then it happened yesterday. Now what is possible? Chances are that, as per, if you see, even at fib retracement level also, it has to come nearby this 10,100 level next, because this was some 23% retracement. It has to come nearby 10,150, and then the next level will be 10,000, 9,600. So my expectation, at least until now, is it might return till 9,600 level. Market might return back till 9,600 level. Yes, it has a good hurdle at 10,400, and then 10,150, but once it has broke, it can directly return back to 9,600. Now one thing that we have to expect, when will we say it is, now market is moving into bullish trend? As I told, market very rarely gives this V-shaped recovery, but market has an understanding, most of the times it gives us, whenever there is a bullish or bearish move, it forms a W or M pattern. Okay, if you see market, what it has done, if you see, it might not be very evident, very clear W, but if you see, it has done If you see from here, it has done, and then it came here again, it went back. So it's kind of W pattern. Now if you see on monthly chart, it has not done that. Monthly chart, it has not done. So chances are that it might return till this 9600 level and then go up. So now how do we predict that? How did I say that it might come to that level? If you see, there is a fib retracement tool available for every trader. So if I see the low and if I mark the high, if you see what was the return time of the market last time, what was the low? It made a low last week. It made a low of, I'll keep it as day low. It will be, I mean, day chart. It will be very easier for everyone to realize. Okay, sorry, give me a moment. We'll keep this as high. Yes. So the level which it has provided is around 11,775. What was the low it had made? 11,790. So it was all, it has respected that level and went up. So currently what I think is it can come to this 50% retracement or even 60% retracement point if there is no bad news, and chances are that we might get vaccine until it reaches these two levels. So that time we can have a very good bullish move. Until then, yes, we don't predict that market is going to crash, but yes, it can come back a little down because it has given a good recovery. You have seen it has given us a recovery almost more than, if you consider this might be a little bit around 60 degree. So it has given something like this. Now it might return to this level, and this is the first time when Nifty is coming down. If you see Bank Nifty, it was not that up, but now if you see, fall in Nifty will be higher compared to Bank Nifty. So if you are ready to sell something, please plan something from Nifty and preferably Reliance. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel. Please follow us on Instagram. The links are provided in the description. Thanks a lot for watching the video.